Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm a small business creator and I've been doing it for 45 years now. This is a small business that I've created just for you. Over the next few minutes in this video, I will be showing you how to make money lifting weights. But it's not about it's, it's not about pumping iron. I regularly go to garage sales and I buy barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, round steel plates, and curling bars. I buy them by the pound and I resell them by the pound. And that's what you will be doing. I also place ads on Craigslist stating that I buy all of these weights. I run my ad under the wanted headline. You can run ads on Facebook Marketplace too. And you can also search the Craigslist sporting goods section to look for weights to buy. Be sure to place your ad in this section stating that you buy weights and related equipment. And when searching the garage sale ads online, look for the sales that have weights and go to them first. Garage sales often have weights, but they don't always state that in the ad. So go to as many garage sales as you can, especially if they mention sports equipment or gym equipment. Buy low and sell high. That is how you make money. Currently, I can sell dumbbells for $1 a pound and steel plate rounds for 50 cents a pound. And that's when I sell them directly to the end user. I can sell the long bars and curling bars for $1 a pound, and the hex head rubber covered dumbbells can sell for more. So experiment with your prices to get the most you can while still being competitive with the retail store prices, which you should get to know. So go to the retail stores that sell weights like Dick's Sporting Goods, Walmart, Fry's, etc., to check prices and be sure to take notes. You can also check at online stores that specialize in sports equipment and weightlifting equipment. You'll make the most profit by selling your weights and related equipment directly to the end user, and that being weightlifters, bodybuilders, athletes, and trainers. When selling, place your ads on Craigslist under the sporting goods category, which is where I easily sell my weights. You can also place your ads on bulletin boards at gyms, and you can even sell your weights to the gym or to independent trainers at the gym. Some towns and cities have used sporting goods stores. Man, I have sold loads of weights and equipment to my local Play It Again sports store in California. I sell my weights there for cash, not on consignment, and I don't do trade-in. I sell my less expensive round cast iron plates on Craigslist where I get the most money for them. Now, here's a big tip for you. Take lots of clear photos to put in your ads. You will sell lots of weights with clear photos. It's real simple, but so many people mess this up. Clear weights sell. Now, buying weights, when you buy weights, don't pay more than half of what you can sell them for. So when you sell them for $1 a pound, don't pay more than 50 cents per pound. Sure, I mean, you can sell them for less, but you will make less. Occasionally, you'll have the opportunity to buy whole sets of weights. And when you do, always try to pay as little as possible to maximize your profits. Always start by asking the seller what's the least they would take for all the weights they have, and then negotiate the price lower, unless, of course, the asking price is already dirt cheap. Now, buying bulk amounts of weights will often get you the best deals. And garage sales is where I get the cheapest weights every time. So there you go. This is a very profitable business, very easy to do. Weights are always in demand. This now, this is now your free small business. Just follow what I told you, follow what I've told you, and you should do well. Please leave a like and subscribe. Now go and make some money.